Wondering how to figure out if someone has blocked you on Instagram? In this video, I'll share some straightforward tips to help you identify if someone has restricted your access to their profile. Instagram doesn't notify you when someone blocks you, so you'll need to follow these steps to uncover the truth. First, open the Instagram app. When someone blocks you, Instagram doesn't send any alerts or messages. It's designed to be discreet, so you won't know unless you actively investigate. To start, tap the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Type in the username of the person you suspect has blocked you. If their account appears and you can see their posts, profile, or status updates, you haven't been blocked. If you search for their profile and it says user not found or no posts yet, it's a sign they might have blocked you. However, it's also possible they've deactivated their account. To confirm, ask a friend or family member to search for the same account on their device. If they can access the profile while you can't, it's likely that you've been blocked. Remember, Instagram won't explicitly tell you if someone has blocked you. You'll need to search for their profile and verify the "a user not found" message. Checking from another account is the most reliable way to confirm. If you found this video helpful, leave your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks about Instagram. See you in the next video.